You will see all the people who are getting paid from this insane opportunity. You need 10,000 followers to get monetized on TikTok and start making money. That's cap. Over the last 8 months of making money on TikTok, I have been super happy from getting big paydays from TikTok. And also I've been super sad and depressed from TikTok stealing money from me by disqualifying my page from monetization. But over failing many times, I learned to say you to TikTok, and I found other opportunities on how you can make money on TikTok with no followers or no money to start with. I've actually made almost as much money from these methods than from the creator rewards program itself. So in today's video, I wanted to show you 3 other methods on how you can start making money on TikTok today without any followers or without any money to start with. And the best part, you literally can get started right after watching this video. Without further ado, let's get right in this video, and I promise you at least one of the methods, or maybe probably all of them, you have never heard about. I will show you 3 best methods ranking from best to worst. Alright, the first method is nothing new. It's the creator rewards program itself, but you probably didn't know that you can actually join the program without having any followers and without needing the 10,000 followers to get monetized. Luckily for you, I've already made a full step-by-step tutorial on how you can get a monetized TikTok page with 0 followers. So if you want to watch that, click the link somewhere up here and watch the video and just follow the tutorial, and you're going to be able to get yourself a monetized account. Now, the creator rewards program would be amazing and literally the best opportunity in the world if only TikTok wouldn't be stealing money from you guys. Because for the people who have actually tried this before, you guys know that there is a chance that TikTok can just take your money away and disqualify your page for no reason, for security issues or unoriginal content, even though all the content you made is original. So you got to be careful when doing this, and always have the thought in the back of your mind that TikTok can just disqualify you and take your money away. But many of you guys didn't know it. You can actually opt out of the program once you have made reasonable amount of money. For example, if you have made $500 in the dashboard, you can just go to the CRP dashboard and click leave the program, and you can opt out, and your money is going to be safe and they cannot disqualify you anymore. And you can also watch this video somewhere up here on how to join the creator rewards program from any country in the world. All right, method number 2, we're starting to get into the juicy territory. With this method, I was able to make over $400 with little to no effort. This method is called Plug AI or Rizz App. I bet you didn't know that you can actually make 50 cents for 1,000 views on the fake text niche. All you have to do is upload fake text niche videos which go viral already, and just include Rizz App or Plug AI sponsorship. You've probably seen videos like this on TikTok. And the best thing about it, you don't need any followers and you can join this program without any requirements literally right now after watching this video. Now, here's everything that you're gonna need. First thing you're gonna need obviously is a TikTok account, and for most of these programs, they want you to have a US or UK TikTok account, so it's a good idea to get a proxy. And you can buy a proxy from our shop, link is gonna be in the description. And once you get the proxy, you're also gonna get full instructions on how to set it up and everything you're gonna need. And if you encounter any problems, you can just make a ticket in our Discord server, and our admins, our mods are gonna help you set it up. Now, once you have the TikTok account, preferably with some posts already posted, but it's not necessary, then you simply go to Rizz App's Discord server or Plug AI Discord server and just sign up for their partner program. Now, let me hop into my computer and show you exactly how to join their program and how to get started. Alright guys, so let me quickly show you how to sign up for Rizz App. So once you're inside of the server, the link is going to be in the description. You simply click here on sign up, and you click on this link, and once you're in here, just add your email, all the details. Next, add your social media accounts. Next, add your payment details, and then you're done. And then every time you post a post inside of TikTok, you simply read all the instructions over here, guys. It's all explained, but you simply go ahead and you will be able to submit your post right when you post, right? And next thing for Plug AI over here. So, and for Plug AI, this server is kind of not so publicly available, but if you want to join this, just come inside of our AI Profit Discord right over here, and maybe ask inside of the free chat over here, and some of the mods may be able to help you and give you the link of Plug AI Discord. But inside Plug AI, simply just read the rules like that, and go over to support ticket, click create ticket, and then inside of the ticket, they're going to tell you everything you need to actually apply for Plug AI and start making videos for them and start making money. And then every time you post, you just click submit post, you click on their forms over here, and then you simply go ahead and you put your Discord username, your post URL, and date of post. And that's it. That's literally all you need to do, guys. All right, guys, you have submitted your application to join Rizz App or Plug AI. Now you need to learn how to create fake text niche videos if you don't know how to do it already. And luckily for you, I already have made a video on how to create fake text niche videos on YouTube. You can watch it somewhere up here. And if you don't want to spend hours editing your videos and making them with an editing software, you can actually check out this cool tool called VSub. And inside VSub, you can literally make these videos using AI with just a couple of clicks. All you have to do is just input the script, and you don't even have to write the script yourself. The AI can do do it for you. So if you want to try out VSub and see how these videos can be made for you using AI, just check the description of this video. I'm gonna leave a link for them as well. And another cool value drop, if you want a really good tool for free to generate you these fake text niche scripts and you don't want to use ChatGPT because the scripts on ChatGPT usually are pretty boring, I'm gonna leave a link in the description for a Discord server which lets you create saucy, spicy fake text niche video scripts completely for free. Oh, and I almost forgot, you can actually repost all of your videos that you made for TikTok on Instagram and YouTube as well. So you literally just make one fake text niche video, repost it on 3 platforms, and you have 3 chances of going viral from one piece of content. So I don't know, guys, like if I had this opportunity 4 or 5 years ago when I started, I would probably be a millionaire by now. So don't sleep on it. But this is not the best one. Method number 3 is gonna blow your mind. And if I just had this like 3 or 4 years ago, I would be printing right now. All right, guys. So before I show you the ultimate goldmine method, the best method of them all on how to get started on TikTok with 0 money, 0 followers, smash the like button, guys, because I haven't seen any other YouTuber talk about these methods. So if you learned something new today and in this video, smash the like button, and I'm gonna make sure to make more videos like this. Method number 3 is called clipping. Let me explain. You've probably seen this guy on Instagram talking how he's making 20K a month just by clipping streamers and posting them on his monetized TikTok page.
He's going to search for popular YouTubers to screen record. After watching their video for a minute or 2,
he's showing that he's simply waking up in the morning, watching his favorite streamers, clipping them and posting. But this is actually a big lie. If you have ever tried reposting streamer clips on TikTok with a monetized account, you'll probably know that it's not actually that easy to make money. Well, you can get a lot of views and you can make a lot of money, but TikTok is going to probably give you unoriginality strikes on your videos. And if you collect 5 of them, you're out of the monetization program. This used to work like almost 2 years ago, but it doesn't work anymore. But they don't tell you this because they simply want you to buy their course and make it look super easy. But if you actually join this server called Clip It, you can actually make big money by clipping influencers that they have on the server without any headaches or stress from TikTok yeeting you out of their monetization program. This server only opened about a week ago, but our AI Profit members who took action have already made thousands of dollars in just a few short days. You can see Catalin, he's an OG member of AI Profit Discord server and he made over $1,000 in the first week. And another member, Lucky, he's also a pretty OG member and he made 1.2K or something like that. I don't remember. But you can see the results over here, and probably by the time you're watching this video, you can just join Clip It, go to the payouts channel, and you will see all the people who are getting paid from this insane opportunity. And the best thing about this is you can literally get started for free. You can take your phone, make a TikTok account, YouTube account, or Instagram account, start clipping these influencers, post videos of them, and if you get 100,000 views, you can get paid $25 to $35. And imagine how easy it is to get views on influencers who are already popular. 1 million views, which is super easy to do on TikTok, is already 250 or 350 bucks. And the best thing about this is that you don't have to be stressful every day checking your TikTok account and seeing that TikTok maybe has disqualified you for no reason and stolen all of your money. Because this is guaranteed, because you don't get paid from TikTok and you don't need a monetized account. You get paid from the influencers themselves. Matter of fact, you don't even need a monetized account. You can literally get started just by making a TikTok account or YouTube account and start posting. The only thing that I would recommend is to get a US proxy, and it only costs like 10 bucks, so that you can post from anywhere in the world and still target USA audience and go viral. Because if you post from your local country, your posts probably are not going to go as viral. This is absolutely free and you can get started right after watching this video. Let me show you how to do it.
Alright guys, quick tutorial on how to actually get started with Clip It. So it's really simple and there is nothing really to explain. Simply, when you join the server, you can go to opportunities and just pick any of the influencers we have featured. We only have 2 right now, but we are working to add more influencers and talking with many people, and we plan to add some big names over here so you can start clipping them and make money. Here you can also create a support ticket if you have any questions. Inside the free chat, this is the best place where to ask questions because people are going to answer you, and there are like some super helpful members inside of here, all from the AI Profit family, so we are all super tight community. And here, when you go to announcements, you can scroll up and there is how to for beginners. This is like a tutorial video, and I'm gonna be adding like a full free course for every single like clipping opportunity that we have here, and explaining you, pretty much showing you how to edit these videos to get thousands and thousands of views. So for now, that's pretty much it. You can also go questions and answers, and yeah, just explore the channel, ask inside free chat if you have any questions. And if you want to join, for example, Simone, you click on the server here, and then inside of the dedicated server, you're going to be able to register your account over here and just get started clipping and ask questions inside of their chat if you have any questions. And yeah, it's super simple, guys.
I'm still shocked about this, and I'm super happy to share it with you guys. And literally nobody is talking about this. Just join the server, watch the tutorials they have in there, and if you need any help, ask your questions in the free chat. There is a lot of of helpful members that come from our server AI Profit, and they're going to be able to help you answer any questions that you have. All right, guys, I honestly hope you learned something new from this video. And most importantly, don't just click off this video and feel motivated for the next few minutes while you continue scrolling YouTube or TikTok or Instagram, whatever. Just get started and actually put in some work, guys and gals. I honestly hope you get started, and once you make your first money, feel free to post it in the results of our AI Profit channel to motivate other people who want to get started. This is how we grow as a community, by helping out each other, by being supportive and motivating others when needed, and not gatekeeping information, guys. That's why I'm releasing all these YouTube videos showing you how to join the CRP program with 0 followers and showing you all these cool opportunities on how to start making money with content with 0 followers or 0 money. Again, guys, I hope you got some value. Smash the like button and love you guys. Peace. See you in the next video.